everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramel apple pull-apart bread. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 tube of the refrigerated biscuit dough, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we are going to melt that, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and you want to make sure that's packed in there, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, I put into that little measuring cup right here, a teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, 1 cup of minced apple. You just want to cut that into little pieces. I did leave the skin on mine. Mine's a golden delicious, but you can use whatever kind of apple you want. And then you need some warm caramel for drizzling. Alright, first we want to preheat our oven to 350, and then you need a 9x5 loaf pan, and you want to grease that or spray it generously with cooking spray. Okay, now you want to open up your biscuits, and if you get the layers, the flaky layers biscuits, you can easily cut those in half. You don't even need a knife. If not, you just go ahead and cut your biscuits in half. So you want to have 12 to 16 of the biscuits. And then we are just going to melt our butter in the microwave and brush both sides of each biscuit with melted butter. Right, next you want to stir together both of your sugars, your cinnamon, and a generous pinch of the salt, and mix that together. And then we are going to dip both sides of our biscuits into this mixture and just beat it on the side to get off any excess and put them back onto your plate. Alright, that looks great. I did have to add a little more of the cinnamon sugar mixture since I did have the 8 biscuits instead of 6 like the recipe calls for, but they look great. So let's get started making these. Alright, next you just want to layer these. So you put down one of your biscuits, put a handful of apples on, biscuit, apples, biscuit, apples. I was able to make 4 stacks of 4. So now we are going to go ahead and put those into our loaf pan. And you want to put those upright so it's easier to pull apart. I'll show you. Alright, this is what it should look like, and our oven is ready. It was just beeping, so we're going to bake those for 38 to 40 minutes at 350. Alright, that came out of the oven, and it smells so good. I went ahead and poured my caramel sauce over top of it, so you can use as little or as much as you want. We'll see what taste tester thinks. Alright, taste tester, have a little taste.
Yeah. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.